Whoa, that was not what I wanted. There we go. It'll work.
If they push them out of the nest.
Don't worry, buddy. I ain't gonna hurt you.
Why don't you go back the other way? Go back to your tree. Go back to your tree.
You can come stare at us. And there's the bunny.
Oh, sure is.
He came right up to us.
There you go. Go back to the tree.
Not that tree.
No, not that tree. The other tree.
He thinks
Come
he's
on.
hiding.
I don't want to scare you.
He thinks he's hiding.
Well,
He's hiding. Just leave him alone.
go back to your tree, baby.
You just push him over.
Where's your mama?
You mess with him too much, Mama won't take him anymore.